Now the market, well, you know what? It was drifting this morning, early this morning, but then we got a nice 1-2 punch. Strong manufacturing numbers out of that Chicago PMI report, and then news of a takeover offer for Nestle's from Mondelez International. Now the Hershey's deal sent all of those consumer staple stocks, particularly food stocks, soaring on huge volume. The XLP, that's the index for that, actually made a true breakout. When I say a true breakout, that means it's rallied to an all-time high on very strong volume. That's extraordinarily convincing. Now, not only do these names, by the way, pay great dividends, they're now acting like momentum stocks. Interestingly, there's still very cautious tone to today's market. You know what? It was reflected in a couple of areas. Utilities, they were the second best performers today in the S&P 500, and the 10-year yield dipped down to 1.47. I took profits on my TLT position, but anyway, still moving in the right direction. Then, of course, there's overall market breadth that once again saw those blue chip names moving higher. 323 names on the New York Stock Exchange hit 52-week highs, as would-be stock investors are still opting for quality for that sense of comfort and safety. Market shares good news. That's interesting. The Chicago PMI report, a reading of 56.8, well above that 50.7 consensus. In fact, the highest level since October of 2014. Moreover, backlog surged to their highest level since 2011. Now, here's the interesting thing. On the other hand, the employment segment actually plunged. It was the only part of this reading that was in contraction. In fact, moving down at its fastest pace since November of 2009. And that's really interesting against this backdrop of massive anti-trade sentiment. It does point to job deterioration in manufacturing, even though manufacturing output is increasing. That's that conundrum again. Now, the story of this session, though, is that this market wants good news from corporate America, and they want good economic data, and we got both of those today.